What's up, you guys? I'm back again with another video, and I'm going to show you guys how I can do a quick ponytail after I blow dried my hair. So I just take my little detangling brush comb, which is a godsend because ever since I had this, my life has been so much easier. I wish I had this when I was a kid, but whatever. So I just start by brushing my hair up, holding it with one hand, brushing it directly up above my head. Grab it with my hand, straighten it out from the back, get a nice tight grip on it. And you take these ponytail holder and you're going to wrap it around one time, twist it, wrap it around again, twist it. This is the part where I decide if I want to put it like in a bun or leave the ponytail out. But I'm going to do a bun because leaving the ponytail out is leaving my hair out for the humidity to get to it. And it could puff up and all that. So that's how I do it. I just leave the bun like halfway on the bottom part of my ends of my hair. And I straighten it out like that. And boom, voila. You have a bun. That's what it looks like. It's not perfect. But it's really quick. Like if you want to just put your hair up real fast, go out, run to the store, boom, 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 boom. There you have it. That's how I do my top ponytail after I blow dry my hair. I love you, loves, you know I do, and I'll see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to continue to see videos from me.